Ooh, what? Televue Nagler 9mm. That's the very old one. One of the first. Yes, very old. The box is falling apart. It needs some repair. I will repair it. Let's see what's eyepiece. Oh, look at that. That is a Japanese one, NJ one, original. With so all of it is metal, nothing plastic. Not just plastic or anything rubbish. It's made of metal. 9mm. That's probably one of the heaviest 9mm I've ever seen. Okay. This is the good one. The daddy of all the eyepieces. NJ. This is the better one. But needs cleaning. First is missing the screw here. It's not being used anyway. They are not in use much. So I have now cleaned it, and as you can see, it was sold as with a blemish on the lens. I don't see anything now, so these are reflections of the light that you see. So we do just cleaning with the isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and butter cloth or a glass cloth. We can use it. I used a glass cloth first, and that was really perfect. I just used the butter cloth for the fine detailing of it. I used the blower also, so nice eyepiece. Has been used, but nice condition. If you look at it, the coating is just intact. You can see the coating. This is Televue Nagler 9mm eyepiece, NJ version original, tape 1 you can call it. Let's see how is the view. I must say this is one of the clearest views of these fruits I've seen so far with any eyepiece. Okay, that was the view through the Televue Nagler 9mm original or NG version. The telescope I'm using is the Skywatcher ED80 Pro series. It's a gold version, a very reliable telescope. And the view was you were seeing were these fruits, which are 12 to 15 meter away. The thing I want to mention is that with this telescope, when I used the 2-inch version, at this distance, a very close distance, it was difficult to get to focus. So I had to use a 1.25 inch. 2-inch one was a little bit too close for this distance. I don't think there will be any problem when I'm using it on the sky, because the sky is at infinity. So when you look at the lens is slightly recessed, the top field lens, slightly recessed, so there is no chance that your eyelashes will hit it easily. So nice experience on that, nice detail. This is one of the most desirable ones because it's full metal. Okay, now I found a cap for this, and a bottom cap and a top cap. And as much as I could, I repaired also the box, so the eyepiece can go into the box. I will add later some padding also, but that's at the moment, that's all. Nice eyepiece, nice box, nice caps.